Hello, this video is about my free Hypnotherapy for Driving Anxiety course, which can help you overcome your fear of driving for free. I've had this course for 6 years, but I don't think many people know it exists, so I thought I'd make this video so more people can get help from it. So, if you don't know who I am, my name's Paul, and I work online as a hypnotherapist helping people all over the world to overcome their fear of driving. But many people have contacted me saying, I'd love to work with you, but I just can't afford therapy. I've got no money for it. So can you help? Well, yes, because I've got 3 courses. So let me explain what each one of them is. My free course will be linked below, and it is linked on my website. It's been on there for years. But like I say, I think a lot of people don't know it exists. The course currently consists of 20 videos. Now, the first I don't know the exact numbers, it's the first 10 or 12 are specifically about driving, and some of the later ones don't actually mention driving specifically, but they still contain methods that can help with your driving, because if you don't know from watching my 400 plus videos on driving anxiety has nothing to do with driving. So it's not about you driving anyway, it's about finding what the problem really is, and that's just what's coming out when you drive. So you fix the real problem and the driving fixes itself. So with my free course, which I'll link in the description, and it's on my website under the driving anxiety tab on the menu, it's a page which simply contains, let's say, 20 videos, and they're all on YouTube. And this is why I think I've been a bit mixed up about this. I just assumed, and you should never assume things, but I just assumed that people knew that YouTube was on my free course. But I don't think people kind of see the videos as being a free course. So if you click on that page, there are many videos. One of them's had over 100,000 views, the others have had tens of thousands of views. And look in the comments to see proof that they work. I've had hundreds of comments from people all over the world saying, wow, this worked, it fixed my fear of driving, I'm now driving at speed, on bridges, whatever. Some people have even said it helped stop them smoking. So, like I say, the problem isn't the problem. So if you've got any fear or phobia, you can use this driving anxiety course to help you with it, because it's not specifically about driving anxiety, even though that's what I work with most. So that's the free course, and have a look on that page, and it's a long list of videos with a short explanation for each one, and it's all completely free. And sometimes people say to me, oh yeah, it's not fair, you should give away more for free. Well, I do, that's why I'm making this video, because I don't think people realise that that course is even there. Now, if you want more than that, the next step up from that is my road course. So road is a program which stands for Remotely Overcome Anxiety of Driving. It's similar to the free one, but the difference is the videos contain techniques that are more powerful, more thorough, and it's just simply better. Plus you also get email support. In the free one, you don't get email support. If you leave a comment in a video, I might get back to you, but I can't see them all because I've got about 1,000 videos and thousands of comments. So if you join the road course, you'll get exclusive videos, which are really powerful. I go into great detail. I put much more effort into those. I really make sure I make them as good as I can. And you get to email me throughout the course for support, so I can say, oh, well, maybe do this, maybe do that. And you can ask me what happened, this came up, whatever. So yeah, that's a more involved program. And you can get that through my website as well. You'll find it linked in the driving anxiety tab in the menu. And if you want the full deluxe creme de la creme package, you can do my one-to-one course, which, as the name suggests, involves working with me one-to-one online from anywhere in the world on Zoom. So we do video calls and we just talk together, and you get hypnotherapy sessions online. And people say, does it work as well as real life? Well, I find it works better than real life, because I've done real life sessions. I used to actually drive around to people's houses. It seems funny now. I did that years ago. But yeah, I now work online, and it's so much easier and quicker, and you don't have to travel, and I don't have to travel. And I've worked with people from America to Australia, all over the world. So it's great. That course involves, like I say, online sessions with me, plus you get road thrown in for free. And it really is free, because some people might say, oh well, if road costs that much and the one-to-one costs that much, can't you just knock the price of road off the one-to-one and give me just a one-to-one? No, the one-to-one has had a set price for years. The road I'm giving you for free. So if you don't want road, you don't have to have it, but I'm throwing it in completely free. It's not that I'll knock the amount of that off and you can have one-to-one cheaper. So there are 3 courses. There's the free course, which is completely free. There's the road course, and then there's a one-to-one course. I won't say exactly what the prices are because they can change over time, and I don't want to have to keep remaking this video. Like I mentioned earlier on, that I use Zoom, that can change over time. But I keep these videos as general as I can so I don't have to remake them every time something changes. So I hope you enjoy fixing your fear of driving using that. And I've been doing this for years and I've helped thousands of people. Like I say, the one video alone has had over 100,000 views and I've helped loads of people for free, so I hope you get the help you need. And if not, and you do want to work with me one-to-one, then just contact me. You can go and buy my course online, road, or you can contact me and do the one-to-one. So check out these other videos of mine on the screen there for more help with your fear of driving. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos. And visit my website, firstdrive.com.